Hi, I'm Ruby from Sephora The Grove in Los Angeles. Today I'll be showing you guys my everyday look with a blurred lip. If you guys are interested in this, keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to use for this look is going to be the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Ginger. I'm going to apply this concealer under my eyes. I'm going to use a tapping motion instead of a sweeping motion because I really want to build this concealer and layer it. If I move my finger from side to side in a swiping motion, it's just going to move the product from one place to the other, and I really don't want that to happen, so I'm just going to tap. I'm going to apply just where I feel like I need extra coverage, and that's really much it. I want to keep this really simple. The reason why I like using my fingers as opposed to a brush with concealer is because it warms up the product, allowing me to blend it very easily into my skin. I usually get redness around my nose and I have a little bit of darkness around my lips, so I'm going to go ahead and just conceal that. Moving on to brows, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Signature Precision Brow Pencil in dark brown. So the first thing that I'm going to do with my brows is backcomb them. I do this because it creates volume. It also just detangles the brows in case there's any tangles or kinks in them. So this brow pencil is really cool. It has a diamond shape on it and it also has a spoolie on the end. So now I'm going to start filling them in. Since this brow pencil is a diamond shape, it allows you to get very precise and hair-like strokes. I'm going to use a flicking motion to create these hair-like strokes. Hair is naturally thicker at the root and tapers out thinner at the ends, so me flicking my pencil allows me to mimic the way hair naturally grows. The next brow product I'm going to use is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel in Chocolate. This is a really cool product. Not only does it keep your brows in place, but it has reflective particles that highlight each individual hair. Also, the bristles on this brush has a comb-like feature on one side that applies the product in hair-like strokes as well. I'm just going to apply a little bit, not too much, because I don't want the product to smudge or anything like that. Also, when I'm applying this, I'm also applying this in the direction my hair naturally grows, so this appears very natural. I'm going to pick up the Kat Von D Signature Precision Brow Pencil one more time, just because I really like the spoolie at the end of this pencil, and I'm just going to use it just to make everything a little bit softer. One of my favorite lipsticks is the Pat McGrath Labs Matte Trance Lipstick in the color Full Panic. I'm going to apply this directly onto my lips. I'm not going to worry right now about making this too perfect. I'm just going to apply it to the center and press my lips together. Pressing my lips together allows the product to transfer to my top lip, just making this a little bit easier for my application process. I want to create more of a blurred lip line to have a little bit more of a natural effect, so I'm going to use my finger and move it outward towards my lip line. I like wearing a blurred lip because it's less maintenance than wearing a lipstick with a super defined line. I'm going to grab a cotton swab, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to accentuate this blurred lip. I'm going to diffuse the edges out a little bit, and what this does, this gives me more of a pout in the center of my lips. Because I really want this to stay all day, I'm going to blot my lips on a tissue. Blotting your lips creates a lip stain effect, allowing the lipstick to last all day. The next thing I'm going to use is the Marc Jacobs Beauty Air Blush Soft Glow Duo in Lush and Libido. I'm going to pick up the product from the side that has the deeper shade. This is a really unique blush because it has stripes, which allows you to customize how faint or how vibrant you want the color to be on your cheeks. This is a bold lip, so I want to create balance, and I'm going to use the side that gives the most impact. I am using the Sephora Collection Pro Angled Blush Brush in number 49. Since this brush is angled, it allows you to just perfectly apply it on your cheeks exactly where you need it. I'm going to apply it to the apples of my cheeks and outward. I really like to always complement my blush with a complementary lip color just to create harmony in a look. For mascara, I'm going to use the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. This is my new favorite mascara. It really allows me to get every hair in the inner and outer corners of my eyes. I always like to wiggle my brush at the base of my lashes just so I get max volume, and then afterwards I really like to layer the mascara on the tips of my lashes. Doing this creates very voluminous lashes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys love this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!